Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva to make YouTube videos. First, navigate to Canva and search for YouTube video to access the correct template. This ensures your project is automatically set to the ideal dimensions of 1920 by 1080 pixels, perfect for high-definition viewing. You can then browse through thousands of professionally designed templates or begin with a completely blank canvas to unleash your creativity. This initial step is crucial for a smooth and efficient video creation process. Now, let's dive into designing your video's visuals. Canva offers an incredibly vast library of stock photos, video clips, and graphic elements, giving you endless possibilities. You can easily customize text, choosing from hundreds of fonts, adjusting colors, and adding dynamic animation effects to make your message pop. Don't forget to upload your own unique media, like personal images or video clips, to truly personalize your content and make it stand out. To elevate your video, adding audio and transitions is key. Canva provides a rich audio library with background music and sound effects to set the right mood. You can easily adjust the volume of each track and trim them precisely to match your video's duration. Furthermore, applying smooth transitions between your scenes will ensure a professional and polished look, guiding your viewers seamlessly from one segment to the next. Aim for a consistent audio level across all elements. Finally, it's time to export and share your masterpiece. Once your video is complete, download it in the MP4 format, which is ideal for YouTube and ensures excellent quality. Double-check that the resolution is set to 1080 pixels for the best viewing experience on the platform. With your video saved, you can then easily upload it directly to your YouTube channel, ready for your audience to enjoy. Congratulations, you've made a YouTube video with Canva.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.